160 on the money. 204. Woo! Look at that beauty. Yikes. Here's a couple recent flights, and at the end I'll talk about all the changes I made in the recent gear that I've been trying out. Nope, gonna want coffee. All right, let's talk about a few products that I just tried and updates on things I've talked about before. I've got the MotionHeat gloves. I love the gloves. I think they're great. I hate the fact that they say that the fingertips are touchscreen compatible when they don't work at all on a touchscreen. Super annoying. The next thing I tried out was these little tiny miniature brake toggles. This is my first and second flight with them. They only fit on one finger, so probably your index or middle finger. I used my index. It felt pretty good. They're not as long as a regular brake toggle, right? Like a regular brake toggle hangs down, like the loop is like 4 or 5 inches long and the magnet's further down. So the mini toggle couldn't reach down to the magnet. So they would reach, but then there was a little bit of line pressure and they would kind of pop off, and the magnets aren't quite as strong. Basically, you kind of gotta let them dangle, but they're so short, they're like still 10 inches away from my cage netting. So I don't think that's an issue. They just felt different. They're definitely much different. I kind of like it. Definitely your hands are a little higher because they're just generally like 3 or 4 inches shorter, which I kind of like because once you take up the slack in the lines, you know, where that active range of your piloting is a little bit higher, and I liked it. So it felt a little more, I don't know, spicy, sporty when I was flying with them. Fucking trains, man. So yeah, that's the mini toggles. I like them. I think they're cool. I don't know if I'll use them forever. They're kind of fun to try, and for like 35 bucks, you know, figured it was worth a shot. Might be just amazing, but I'm gonna let you know on that. Smoke system. It's a smoke system. It makes smoke. Output seems to be pretty good. This is the version 2 of the PPG smoke kit. I had version 1. I had a pump issue with really low output. So Ryan sent me a replacement, installed version 2. And this is the nozzle, the injector nozzle drilled out to 1/16 of an inch was the drill bit that I had. I might drill it out even more to pump even more smoke and see what happens, but I think the output's pretty good with the version 2 kit if you drill out the nozzle a bit extra. And lastly, the chase cam. It's the chase cam. I mean, it hangs behind you. The blue line that it comes with, the cord that attaches from your wing to the chase cam, it's not very stretchy. And so I don't know, my previous ones that I 3D printed and I sold a bunch of, I used a 1/8 inch, like a bungee cord that I got, you know, 500 feet from Amazon. So my line was longer and it had more of a stretch to it. So I don't know how that affects the picture so much. The video that I'm getting from this camera is great. It doesn't hang back as far as my old one, and I kind of like the farther back look. So I might change out the cord, you know, the cable on this chase cam. But as far as the actual camera itself, the body and the attachment where the GoPro attaches, it's great. I don't see anything that needs changed. I think it's more durable and lighter than my 3D printed version. You can't compare it to the Skybeam or any of the other chase cameras out there. I haven't had any of those, but for the most part, it works great. Just had a good flight around the valley, nothing special. Just figured I would make a video for myself, basically, to remember what I thought about products as I installed them and tested them out. So see you guys later. Well, ran out of gas. The airport's right across the freeway. I didn't know if I was gonna make it, but oh well. Got a bit of a walk.